This is the insight that changes everything in crypto leverage trading. It's about adjusting leverage during an open trade. Most traders learn it too late, after their first few losses. Most traders treat leverage like a one-time decision. You choose it at entry, and then you just hope the market behaves. But leverage was never meant to be fixed. It's not a tattoo, it's a slider. Market changes, leverage changes with it. And on Margex, you can actually adjust leverage during an open trade. Let me show you how it works step by step in this video. That flexibility isn't about taking more risk. It's about staying aligned with the market. This insight is just one part of the picture. And if you haven't seen them yet, make sure to watch the other two Leo insights. They break down how market conditions define leverage and how dollar risk defines leverage. So here's the question. When the market moves against you, do you already know what you'll do? Or are you still hoping it turns around? Subscribe to Margex for more insights on crypto leverage trading.